works on the law of acceleration if possible from the balloon fixed on the back. So let's see how it works. Let's go.
There are two types of chain reaction, controlled and uncontrolled. Example of chain reaction, burning of candle and falling of books in series. My domino is books.
I make a seismographic model. This seismographic model will detect the earthquake. This is my seismographic model.